The following message is being transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Approximately 30 minutes ago, NASA has detected 3 asteroids that are in a direct collision course with Earth. The first asteroid will strike the Pacific Ocean, causing massive mega tsunamis to hit the following states: Washington, Oregon, California, Nevada, Arizona, and Hawaii. All residents in these following states should evacuate immediately. The second asteroid will hit the Atlantic Ocean, causing mega tsunamis in these following states: Delaware, Maryland, Virginia, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, and Florida. All residents in these states should evacuate immediately, and the third asteroid will impact the Indian Ocean. Everyone living in a coastal area is highly recommended to move to indoor lands. I repeat, everyone living in a coastal area is highly recommended to move to indoor lands. These 3 asteroids will impact Earth within the next 7 hours. You have enough time to evacuate. Bring the following with you: food, water, clothing, electronics, and medical supplies for your safety. The United States President is now safe in a secure location, and the President will be speaking on the air soon. Take all actions to protect your civilization. I repeat, take all actions to protect your civilization. Stand by for this message. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted your regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide information to the public in assigned areas. This is WBAL-TV. We continue to serve the Baltimore area. If you are not in this local area, you shall tune to stations to provide information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system. Serve the Baltimore area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated to keep you informed.